Hello everyone and welcome to ERA Tutorials. I am Aarti Naik and today I am going to teach you class 10 subject English unit 2 topic 2.1 animals. Okay, so you can see this poem is about animals, and animals are very beautiful, very helpful, and how it is, let us see in poem. So before we start poem, let us see warming up. So here one witty quote is given by Mark Twain: "The more I learn about people, the more I like my dog." Okay, so what what is the meaning of this quote? So here Mark Twain want to say that the more he learn about the people, he find that they are dissatisfied, frustrated, trampling over other, and still not happy. On other hand, animals are always happy with what they have, so Mark Twain's like the dog who are loyal, whereas the human are not. So some qualities are there which are very good in animals, but human beings are yet to develop it. And generally, human being people disappoint us. Many of us turn to companionship of animal when we feel misunderstood or betrayed by our fellow human, because the relationship with human is full of misunderstanding, and maximum time we are unable to explain or we are unable to solve that problem also, but with animals we don't face this type of problems. Okay, so here some attribute and abilities are given and we have to put it in proper circle. So here is the circle. So which quality or attributes human are having? So they cook, they learns computing, stand up immediately, they worships God, good manners. Here common to both animals and human. So what animals possess? Can live for more than 150 years sometimes, sleeps in standing position, has 360 vision, and belongs to various species after birth. And what is common in both? Self control, communicates, love and care, shows gratitude, swims, and brings up children. So these things are common. So in question 3 here you have to write down that especially when you are frustrated and you wish you were an animal, a bird, or fish, or a butterfly, and not a human being. Okay, sometimes you can feel that the life of birds are very good, the life of animals are very good, they need not to go to school, they don't need not to do any homework, or nobody is scolding them, or they don't understand, or they don't have that much feeling like us. So here you have a chance, you have a choice. So select any one out of these four and write down about that what transformation you can experience. Okay, so here I have chosen a bird because birds are very lucky and they can fly to any place they want. So I wish I could fly. I wish I were a butterfly. Butterflies are so beautiful. There are so many colors on butterflies body. I cannot believe that they are natural colors. It looks like a beautiful painting. If I were a butterfly, I would sit on the most beautiful flower. Butterflies are lucky because their food is so sweet, honey. Wow, I can eat something sweet whenever I am hungry. I will fly from one flower to another like we play hopscotch. I will sleep on a bed of flowers. Life will be so beautiful like a dream. I can visit so many places. I would like my body to be red in color and my wings should have all the colors of rainbow. My friends will be jealous of my beauty. Oh, how I wish I were a butterfly, beautiful butterfly. All of us love freedom and have their own expressions of being free. Each one of us want to define freedom in the way it suits us. So here I have expressed my freedom and you can choose any one out of it and you can write about it. So here in question number 4 of warming up, we come across many animals in our vicinity. We have also read about different animals in books. So make a list of the animal fall under various category. So here amphibian animals means those who can mm, live on water also and earth also. So here are the list of amphibian and animals. Mammals means who can give birth to their child. So there are so many mammals, wild animals also you know, aquatic animals you know, pet animals also you know. Now let us start with the poem Animals. Walt Whitman. The poem is written by Walt Whitman, a major figure in early American poetry in an age when all poetry was rhymed and metrical. Whitman made a break with tradition and wrote a revolutionary new kind of poetry in free verse. He was a nonconformist in all respects, including his social life. The poet tells us that he feels more at home with animals than humans. What he finds complicated and false, that means human he found complicated and maximum time false. So this poet is famous in America, or this American poet is famous in the world because of his writing skill. He wrote this poem in free verse when everyone was writing in rhythm rhyme. So he has done a revolutionary step in writing poem by writing this free verse poem. Okay, let us start with his poem. I think I could turn and live with animals. They are so placid and self-contained. So here poet want to say that if it is possible, I would like to transform and live with animal. Transform into animal and live with animal all the time, because they are so placid and self-contained. So they don't have lots of expectation, and they are main means they are very satisfied, always satisfied with whatever they are having. I stand and look at them long and long. They do not sweat and whine about their condition. That means here poet want to say that he observed the animals for long time, and one conclusion he has arrived, that they do not sweat and whine. That means they never complain. They never complain about their condition wherever you will keep, whether you will give them freedom, whether you will chain them, whatever is there, they will never complain. They do not lie awake in the dark and weep for their sin. Means they are not like human beings that in means saying lie thing or doing lie things in front of everyone, and in dark they are crying for their sins, that I have done, this is my mistake. Means first they are doing mistake and then crying for the mistake, but animal do not do like that. They never do this type of mistake. They do not make me sick, means they never irritate me or they never upset me. Discussing their duties to God, means they never discuss like human being, that duties to God, that means God, whatever God will do, but whatever teaching is there about the God, that is irritating sometimes, because we sometimes we do not believe, because those who are teaching to us, they may include their own things, and that irritates. So no one is dissatisfied, no one is demented with the mania of owning thing. That means here all animals, they are never dissatisfied, they are always satisfied, and no one is demented with mania of owning thing. That means collecting, craziness of collecting thing, keeping in possession, that I want to increase my property, I want to purchase land, I want money, I want to earn money, I want to make my money double, like that. All these crazy things, owning things, or this type of madness is not there in animals, and that's why poet is saying that animals are very good company. Not one kneels to another, nor to his kind that lived thousands of years ago. That means here no one need to say sorry to anyone, or means to give respect to each other, or to show means to giving respect, or to make the show off of giving respect. So they never do this type of things, or and these things are never happened in animal thousands year ago also. Lived thousands of year ago, not one is respectable or unhappy over the whole earth. That means if you see all the animals of this earth, no one is unhappy, means all are living with happiness. So they show their relation to me and I accept them. They bring me tokens of my life, they evince them plainly in their possession. So they always, whenever you go, if you have pet animal, one thing you can observe that if you approach your pet animal, they started wagging their tails. It shows that they love you. Okay, so here they bring me token of myself, means here animals make me realize that I can be like them, satisfied person, instead of crying all the time or complaining all the time. Okay, so I wonder where they get those tokens. Means I am surprised that how from where they are learning all these things. Okay, token means here virtues like innocence, simplicity, contentment. Okay, so all these things. So how they are having all these things, all these qualities, where they are learning it? They never goes to school, then also they are having all these qualities. Did I pass that way huge times ago and negligently drop them? That means though I want to be in their company, but it is impossible for me. So sometime I may neglect them or negligently drop them. So here poet want to say that if it is possible for you, try to spend maximum time with animals, because you can learn so many things from animals, and animals will give you all positive energy, because they never complain, they never regrets about their condition, and most important thing, they are always happy with the situation. So here are the difficult words. To turn means to transform, placid means not easily upset, self contained means self sufficient, vain means to complain mournfully, make me sick means disgust me, demented means mad, mania means craze, kneel to, that means worship or adore, respectable, too happy and satisfied. Tokens, virtues like innocence, simplicity, contentment, etc. Evince means to show. Negligently means careless. Thank you everyone, and I hope that everyone might have understood this poem. This is really beautiful poem that we can learn so many things from animals, that how to love, unconditional love, then satisfaction in life. Okay, and uh, always be happy. That is the good message from this poem. So I hope that everybody might have understood this poem. If you have any complaint, please write down in comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.